Hello, my filthy darlings. It is I, everybody's dream ghoul, Calla DeKay, and today I'd like to start off by apologizing for the lack of recent drag content on the channel. When I started this off, I really did want to do this every week with a new Scream stream and hopefully a whole new look to go along with it. But unfortunately, as I've said once, I've said 1,000 times, life gets in the way. And recently I've had some personal circumstances to which I had to put drag on a hold, a little hiatus. So we are now out of the woods on that though, and so hopefully I have some new content out next week on that front. I would have loved to have done something this week, but unfortunately my allergies are killing me. You can probably hear it in my voice and my nose here, rather congested, and my eyes are irritated as hell. I actually felt some deliberation on whether I was even going to put on eyeliner today, but I am a vain creature. Just get that out of the way. Let's just state it plainly. So I decided let's go ahead and try it and see how it works and not have any problems right now. So, alright. So anyways, let's get into what we're all here for, which is finding out the answer to that age-old question.
What's in the fucking box?
So I have 3 things we're unboxing today, each from a different source, and of course we'll be putting the source of each down in the comments so you can find them for yourself if you see something you like. I'm also kind of showing off my new ink. I just got this like yesterday. It's still a little raw, and it's like the only tattoo I've only gotten to the point where it's like, okay, my endorphins have completely run out. Can we wrap this up? But I am very happy with the results. I did post about this on Instagram already, but if you are curious as to who did this and where I got it done and all that, this is Shay Hubbard at Tattoo Fort Wayne. She does excellent freaking work, and I'm so fucking proud of her because I met her just last year when she was an apprentice, and you know, she was not allowed to really do much of anything at the time. She was still, you know, getting her chops and whatnot, which so I can completely appreciate that, but her enthusiasm impressed upon me so much in that first meeting. Like, okay, the second you are ready to tattoo and do something at a decent size, we're doing this. And this is the second piece she's done for me. The first one was this here, and as you can see, she does top-notch stuff, so I cannot wait to see what the future brings because she's only been doing this for like a year now. So, you know, sky's the limit for her. And I cannot be more proud of her for this. Anyways, though, enough of me running my mouth. Let's get into this here. So the first one, this is off of Etsy from a shop called Kinkable. Now this is more just because I want it. I can see a way to use these in my drag, though. Let's see if I can... Come on. Where are you hiding in here? Okay, it's all wrapped up. Alright, so what I've got here is a set of claw nails. Now these are, wow. Those are pretty decent looking. They are 3D printed, and they can be shrunk down to fit your actual fingers a lot better. So, that's part of the reason why I wanted these here. I thought I had a full set of... Okay, there's more in each of these. Okay, no, it's just one hand? Oh, that's not what I thought I was getting, but... Well, I guess I have to order another set now. But yeah, these can be shrunk down in hot water apparently, so they'll fit a lot better. So I'll have to figure out which one of these fits best each finger and then go from there. Let's see how these all look together. Where do you go? Yeah, these are definitely going to need some compacting. They are a little bit loose, but they do fit pretty good. I had to order the extra large because I've got these freaking giant claws as is. But there they are. They are. I am a little disappointed because I thought I was getting a full set of 10. But yeah, I've still got them length. I still like these. They feel really freaking cool. And they definitely look 3D printed. As you can see, they've got that texture to them that you sometimes get. But I like the... Ooh. Feel nice too. So definitely happy with this. Just need to... I guess the procedure is you take them and put them in hot water and then push them around your finger until it fits just perfect. So I'm going to have to do that later, but definitely be getting another set of matched claws. These are fucking tits. Alright. So, and yeah, that tidbit thing I picked up from an old friend of mine. I still use to stay sometimes, so. Anyone finds that a little offensive, just the way I am, I guess. Okay, so this one is from Cameron's Creations. This is for Halloween. The costume I'm developing for that, which I've sunk so much into already. I mean, start putting it together. So I'll be doing that very soon too, and I'll try to be getting you guys some in-progress stuff, at least on Instagram, if not on YouTube. Come on. Alright. So these... Oh, man. Let me get these both out of here so you can see them together. Those are pretty. Where the fuck? Okay, so how is this actually... This opens, right? Yeah, there it is. Alright. Okay, cool. So that's how they're supposed to go, so... Check these out. You got a 3D printed texture again, but I think I can kind of mask that with a bit of matte painting. You know, just use a matte spray paint on them. Like, look at these. Those are some nice fucking horns. I went through 10, 15 different shops to try to find something that I liked, and finally found Cameron's, and these are just going to be so... Oh. I have to figure out how I want to put them, because I've already got a plan to mount them. It's just like, do I want to mount them that are standard, or do I want to do something like a little more quirky like that or whatnot? Still trying to figure that out, but I cannot wait to put these to use. Oh, those are so well done too. And I gotta say this. I'm gonna say this about both Cameron's and Kinkable. In both of these shops, and this is not their fault, I think this is the Postal Service, things were supposed to have been here a little bit earlier than I got them. But both shops were very good at correcting it. Kinkable actually got a hold of me first and said, hey, I don't know why you don't have this yet. I just noticed it's not gotten to you. We're going to ship you another one. And Cameron, when I contacted him, I think it's a him. If not, if I misgendered you, Cameron, I'm sorry. That's kind of feels like a gender neutral name, but anyways. But Cameron was also very helpful, was very polite and kind when I contacted him and said, hey, I've not got my stuff yet, can you take a look into this? And like a little bit later I got a notification saying it was on its way, like the next day. So, you know, not their fault, but they did what they could to rectify it on their end, and I'm blown away by these purchases, guys. I will be keeping you guys in mind in the future, both of you, for other projects or just for my own stuff. Alright, so this one. Probably the most expensive of the fucking three for what I got. So this one is from fursuitsupplies.com. Don't judge. You know how hard it is to find this fake fur? Other than like, you know, your basic colors through like Joann's and shit. Trust me, I spent like a week trying to find something I really liked and was going to be the color I needed. And I ended up having to go through a fursuit store. And you know, I don't give a shit. I got a problem with furries. I consider myself to be a low-key furry myself, kind of. So you know, don't have like a suitor for sewing or anything. That's stupid, but I like some of the art. So hey. All right, but yeah, this. I don't like that they package it in a garbage bag, but I guess you use what you got. Ooh, new stickers. Always happy about that. I've got your cabinets and my computer case is covered, but here he is. I got this to match that beautiful turquoise Arda wig, and this is as close as I could find. And it looks a bit more blue on here, but in person it does match pretty close. That is so soft. It's got about the right length for what I want. I've never worked with anything like this before, so this is going to be a real fucking experience. And I apologize for the barking. That is Hamilton. Someone opened the door somewhere, and Hamilton's an idiot. But oh, I cannot wait to put that to use, because I think I've got everything I need now, except that one exception. So I'll actually be able to start showing you guys in progress photos and videos right now. Oh, not right now, but very soon as to what's coming for Halloween, which is of course my favorite fucking holiday. Oh man. So that's been fun. But yeah, do keep an eye on the channel for upcoming content. I will be doing some more Scream streams very shortly in the future. I'm thinking probably next week, and I got some very cool things I'm very excited to do for you guys. just a matter of finding the time and whatnot and the ability to do it. Anything else I want to add? Of course, yeah. If you liked any of these products and you want to buy them for yourself, links will be in the description. But other than that, my filthy dogs, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for being patient with me during this time when I've not been doing a lot. You know, it does mean a lot to me. You guys are tuning in and checking this out. This is a big hobby for me, and it's a lot of fun. And, you know, it takes a while to get anywhere doing this kind of stuff, so I'm not expecting success overnight. But to all of you who follow me on Twitch, on Instagram, on YouTube, to everyone who is, you know, posted, you know, these nice encouraging comments I tend to get, to everyone who has tried to, what do you want to say, motivate me and get a reaction out of me, and chats on Twitch during streams, everyone who's liked, you know, anything that I've done, I really do appreciate it, and I'm so excited to be getting back into doing this and creating new content for you, and hopefully I can get back to the point where I can do this like very, very frequently and just knock it out of the park and, you know, maintain a high level of both quality and content creation. That's kind of the goal here. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let you get back to your daily business. So, yeah, sorry, throat's a little dry. Give me just 1 second here. So anyways, I'll be seeing you lot in the next video stream or whatever it's going to be. Until then, you all take care of yourself. Keep yourselves out of trouble. And oh, by the way, I almost forgot. Have a happy and safe Pride Month, guys. I'll see you guys like I said in the next video. I'm getting off track here. But goodbye, my filthy darlings.